Check whether the ESC appearance is damaged. Check whether the ESC base or housing is deformed. Pay attention to the wiring sequence during installation, and ensure the connections are correct. When securing the wiring harness, avoid pinching the wires. Make sure the wiring harness is properly fixed. The propulsion ESC and motor do not differentiate Q or CQ direction. The motor direction is determined by the wiring. Different arms require different wiring configurations. The rotation direction can be changed by swapping the three-phase wires. Swap any two of the blue and yellow wires. To change the motor direction, Q wiring sequence, yellow wire port A, orange wire port B, blue wire port C. CQ wiring sequence, blue wire port A, orange wire port B, yellow wire port C. Check whether the propulsion motor has abnormal noise, and whether the motor base screws are loose. When fastening the motor and motor base screws, thread locker must be applied. Check whether the screws between the motor base and carbon tube are tightened.